Welcome to this amazing new module. This time we're going to make our very own portfolio for web, Android, and iOS. So the first thing which we're gonna do is create a new Flutter project. Keep Flutter selected and go ahead. Now let's give the project a name. I'm going to use my name separated by underscore. I also need to specify the platforms I am going to run my app on, which are Android, iOS, and web. Obviously, the settings can be changed anytime, so don't worry. And you can give it a small description similar to the one I'm giving here. Now, let me fill in the organization box. Of course, you already know the whole project creation process, but I am still going through these once again. The project will now be created. Remember what I told you before. Always pause the video after 5 to 7 minutes, copy the whole code till the exact time you stop the video at, and then go on with the lesson. Since the video you're watching right now is long, these minor practices are really worth a try. Let me now explain a few things as some of you may face similar issues. I've shown them previously, but why not show them again? You should know that this may not be a problem for many students, but it is surely for some. So let me just click on the Android folder and then on the app one in order to navigate to the build.gradle. Let's go ahead and open it in a new window. Now let's wait for it to build so that we can have the upgrade option. It's not gonna take long. Well, why do we even want to upgrade it? It's simply because we need the latest version of everything, right? Again, if you already have the latest version, you don't need to do this. Once it's done loading, let's click on Upgrade it and then on Begin Upgrade. While it's being upgraded, we can head over to Google, search for the latest version of Kotlin, and open the official website. You can see that as for now, the Kotlin version is 1.6.0. So let's go ahead and copy it. Great! We may go back to Android Studio now and press Ctrl plus Shift plus F to search for something in the entire project. Let's type KO and yeah, this ext Kotlin is the exact line which we're looking for. We're gonna click on it and change the version to the latest one which we've copied earlier. And that's it. Now, some of you can face a splash screen error while running the application on Android. Therefore, let's search for splash screen and click on this one. So the line is in the Android manifest file, which is inside the Android app src main folder. Okay, I'm going to comment this part out. Now let's go back to our Gradle window and choose the latest version of Gradle. Of course, if you already have the latest version, you don't have to do the upgrade. If not, you can click on Run Selected Steps and wait for it to finish upgrading. It will take a few seconds. So it's finished. Let's move on. Now we are going to create an asset folder in the root directory. Let's write assets. I'm gonna put my image and obviously you're going to put your picture here as it needs to be your portfolio. So let me drag it and drop it here in the assets and click on the refactor button. If you look at this picture carefully, you can notice that I have removed the background from the photo. Well, I just want to tell you that you may not need to waste time on removing the background from your image. Also, remember when I showed you how to change the launcher icons of your app automatically using the package? Now I'm going to show you the manual way to do it. So let's open the Assets folder in Explorer for Windows and Revealer for Mac. Yeah, so this is the image.